Create business assets that multiply daily. How to stop trading time for money. Written by Schroth. Narrated by Archie. Copyright 2025 by Webwise LLC. Introduction: The new path to financial freedom. Let's face it. You've been there before, grinding day after day, hour after hour, only to find yourself exhausted with little to show for it. You wake up, go to work, and then spend your time trading hours for money. Your efforts are rewarded, but only when you're working. You're stuck in the cycle, and the clock never stops ticking. The more time you put in, the more you earn, but there's only one problem with this: time is finite. We've all been conditioned to think that the only way to earn money is by working for it, whether it's through a job, a business, or some other form of active labor. It's simple, right? You put in the hours, and you get compensated for those hours. That's what the traditional system has taught us. But have you ever stopped to ask yourself, is this all there is? You've probably thought, there has to be a better way. And you're right. This book is about giving you that better way, a way to break free from the trap of trading time for money and instead build systems and assets that work for you around the clock. It's about creating business assets that multiply daily, so you can start living the life you've always dreamed of, free, independent, and no longer bound by the tyranny of time. But first, let's face some hard truths. If you've been working hard for years, chances are you've been unknowingly perpetuating the myth of trading your precious hours for dollars. It's the standard practice most people follow. We go to school, get a degree, get a job, and start climbing the corporate ladder, hoping that one day we'll reach the pinnacle. All the while we're stuck in a hamster wheel, running and running, but never getting anywhere meaningful. The truth is, you can never achieve true financial freedom if you continue to trade time for money. You'll always be capped by the number of hours in a day and the limitations of your own energy. So, how do you break out of this cycle? The answer lies in business assets. Assets that earn money for you while you're not actively working. These aren't the typical assets you might think of, like real estate or stocks. These are assets in the form of systems, processes, products, and services that generate income on autopilot. They allow you to leverage your time, knowledge, and resources to create a source of income that is not tied to your physical labor. Now, I know what you're thinking. That sounds great in theory, but how do I actually make it happen? That's exactly what we're going to explore in this book. You see, creating business assets doesn't require...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?